Welcome to Crypto Starter Lab. If you've heard about Bitcoin but still don't really understand what it is or why it matters, this video is for you. Maybe we should start with why it was created. For that, we should go back to 2008. The world was facing the global financial crisis. Banks were collapsing. People were losing their homes and savings. It was clear the financial system wasn't perfect. In fact, it was broken. People started to question whether we needed a new way forward. In response, a person or group named Satoshi Nakamoto created Bitcoin, a new kind of money that no government or bank could control. Bitcoin is digital money, but it's more than that. It's decentralized, meaning it doesn't rely on a single company, person, or server to operate. Instead, Bitcoin is run by thousands of independent computers around the world, all connected through the internet. Each one holds a copy of the entire Bitcoin history, and they all work together to agree on what's true. That way, no single point of failure, no one person, and no hidden agenda can control the system. It runs on something called the blockchain, a secure, public system where every transaction is recorded and cannot be changed. New Bitcoins are created through a process called mining, where powerful computers solve complex problems to verify transactions and keep the network running. This system rewards miners with Bitcoin, and it's what keeps everything secure without needing a central authority. Because of that, there are only 21 million Bitcoins that will ever exist. That fixed supply makes it scarce, like digital gold. You can send Bitcoin to anyone in the world 24/7 without needing a bank, and often with lower fees. The money we use every day, like the dollar or euro, loses value every year because governments can print more of it. Bitcoin was designed to do the opposite. It can't be printed. It can't be inflated, and it gives people more control over their own money. That's why so many people see Bitcoin as a store of value, a hedge against inflation, or a long-term investment. Today, people use Bitcoin in different ways: to save money outside of the banking system, send money across borders quickly and affordably, to invest for the future, and even to pay for goods and services with businesses that accept it. As more people and companies adopt Bitcoin, its value continues to grow, both as technology and as an idea. So that's Bitcoin in simple terms. It's digital money, born out of a broken financial system, designed to give power back to people. If this helped you understand Bitcoin a little better, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Crypto Starter Lab. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the world of crypto.